On the east coast of Canada, there is a little peninsula called Nova Scotia. It's a very, very beautiful place, but it looks flat. However, there is a great mountain bike park you must try if you come to Nova Scotia, which is Keppoch Mountain Bike Park.
Hello.
You guys drive hard to get here?
Yeah, kind of. We're from BC, so
Yeah, fair enough.
yeah. But yeah, we're just kind of doing an East Coast
Nice.
tour thing. So
Yeah, glad you showed up here.
yeah.
Hopefully it doesn't disappoint.
Yeah, well, it seems like this is the place to be in Nova Scotia, at least.
In my own opinion, 100%.
Yeah. Well, I'm excited to try it out myself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you
Thank you
go.
very much.
Cool.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
This bike park might be small, but there are many trails and you can have fun all day long.
Okay, you want to do that chicken cougar or whatever?
Whatever.
Whatever you said. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's so wet.
First, we are doing chicken cougar. It's a nice and easy trail. We got recommended to start the day. Nice. Slippery, but it's good. The trail is super smooth and I don't really have to use the brakes. So don't go too fast. And this trail has even a hip jump. Nice.
Longer than I expected.
Yeah.
It didn't take long to get up here.
Yeah, that was really good.
You just have to do every trail.
Yeah.
First time here,
Yeah.
there's a lot of good trails.
Oh yeah.
The next one is probably the hardest trail in the bike park.
Free ride? 23% average grade. Let's go see.
I feel like it's still too early to do spicy trail, but let's see how it goes.
Dirt's nice here. Lots of correct even in the wet.
He thinks so, but I don't think so. No, it's just slippery. That's fine, yeah.
Pretty booty here.
Yeah. So 23% grade is about 13 degrees. I have to say, it's quite steep. It's getting steeper. You okay? Yeah, it's loose. Oh, the roots got me.
Oh, did you crash?
Now just to slide it out. You're gonna do this?
I guess.
Just I'm not good at wet condition, so
Actually, the dirt is really grippy here in the wet.
they're just the roots, right?
Don't break on the roots.
Exactly. Like you kind of have to go fast.
Gotta go fast.
Exactly, but it's scary, right?
It's scary at the
You
same
don't know
time,
the
bro.
trail.
Going?
Oh, yeah, he's coming.
Okay, I'll wait here.
Maybe he's not coming. Oh, he did.
There you go.
Maybe he's not coming.
That way's easier.
I thought you're gonna stop there. Sometimes he's a scaredy cat, but sometimes he's a fearless lion. After a bit spicy trail, we came to Riverside.
Or maybe it's this one?
The jump trail, our favorite kind of trails. Who would expect that you can ride this beautiful jump trail in Nova Scotia? Jump trails are fun.
Sweet. Oh. Let's do this park.
Oh yeah.
There's a drop. Can you do the drop? Oh, porcupine. Oh, he's coming
Tours.
I don't want him to spike us, honey.
No, but they don't. Hey, porcupine! You gonna go drink water?
He's not scared, is he?
Nope. Yes, what's up? What's up, man?
Don't get spiked, honey.
No.
So is porcupine dangerous? We asked local people. This guy.
You were within 2 feet of it. Yeah. Like way, way too close. He says the closest he's ever been is 4 feet.
Oh, really?
Yes.
In Australia, we got one. We catch one.
A porcupine? I don't think this porcupine's Australia.
The similar one has like a spike on the back.
Really?
Yeah.
Eric was right. Australia doesn't have a porcupine. But they have a echidna. I'm gonna say echidna is cuter than porcupine. And they are so harmless. But porcupine, they could be really aggressive. And for sure, you don't want to get spiked. So if you find one, just let it be.
No.
That's why I cannot stop exploring the nature.
Oh, yeah, that was a big one.
The nature is weird and full of wonder. Mountain biking, it's just one of the means to taste of it.
I thought the second drop was the wood one, the bridge one.
Oh.
So I just went for it, and it was drop and bigger than the first one.
Yeah.
I go, ah.
And I hope you tasted a bit of wonder today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.